Hello students, today in this lecture we have to see algebraic operations on fuzzy numbers. See, first if a and b are fuzzy numbers, then a plus b, a minus b, a into b and a upon b are fuzzy numbers whose alpha cuts are determined by following equations. See, these are also called as decomposition theorem. See, what is first equation? Alpha cut of a plus b is equal to alpha cut of a plus alpha cut of b. Now for alpha cut of a minus b is equal to alpha cut of a minus alpha cut of b. Alpha cut of a into b is equal to alpha cut of a into alpha cut of b. Alpha cut of a upon b is equal to alpha cut of a upon alpha cut of b, where alpha cut of b not equal to 0. Now see the examples. Example is the first example. Find the fuzzy number a plus b, a minus b, where the fuzzy sets are given. A of x is equal to x plus 3 upon 3 for the interval minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 0. Second, 3 minus x by 3. The interval 0 less than x less than or equal to 3, which is equal to 0 otherwise. And the fuzzy set b of x is defined as x minus 3 by 3, 3 less than x less than or equal to 6, 9 minus x upon 3, 6 less than x less than or equal to 9, 0 otherwise. Now for these two fuzzy sets a and b, we have to find fuzzy number a plus b and fuzzy number a minus b. Now first we see the solution for fuzzy number a plus b. See the solution. What is the first step? First, we have to calculate alpha cut of a and alpha cut of b. See, we know definition of alpha cut of a is the set x belongs to x such that a of x greater than or equal to alpha. Now a of x fuzzy set is given for two intervals. Take the first interval minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 0 and the second interval 0 less than x less than or equal to 3 taken here. Right. Now see here a of x greater than or equal to alpha. This interval also a of x greater than or equal to alpha. Now what is the function a of x? X plus 3 upon 3 right here greater than or equal to alpha. This gives us x plus 3 greater than or equal to 3 alpha. Now for the second interval 3 minus x upon 3 greater than or equal to alpha. Then 3 minus x greater than or equal to 3 alpha. After that see x greater than or equal to 3 alpha minus 3 and 3 minus 3 alpha greater than or equal to x means we get 3 alpha minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 minus 3 alpha means it is a closed interval. We get alpha cut of a is equal to closed interval 3 alpha minus 3 comma 3 minus 3 alpha for alpha belongs to open 0 closed 1. Now find alpha cut of b. By definition, it is x belongs to x such that b of x greater than or equal to alpha. Now for the fuzzy set b of x, the intervals in the question given are 3 less than x less than or equal to 6 and 6 less than x less than or equal to 9. Here b of x greater than or equal to alpha, b of x greater than or equal to alpha. See, for this interval 3 to 6 function b of x is equal to x minus 3 by 3. It is given in the question, greater than or equal to alpha. And for the interval b of x, it is 9 minus x by 3, greater than or equal to alpha. This gives x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3 alpha, gives you x greater than or equal to 3 alpha plus 3. Now for second interval, 9 minus x greater than or equal to 3 alpha gives 9 minus 3 alpha greater than or equal to x. That is, we get 3 alpha plus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 plus 3 alpha. Therefore, it is a closed interval alpha cut of b is equal to closed interval 3 alpha plus 3 comma 9 minus 3 alpha for alpha belongs to open 0 closed 1. Now in this way we get alpha cut of A and alpha cut of B. Now see step 2. In step 2 we calculate alpha cut of A plus B is equal to alpha cut of A plus alpha cut of B, which is equal to alpha cut of A we already calculated 3 alpha minus 3 comma 3 minus 3 alpha plus alpha cut of B is closed interval 3 alpha plus 3 comma 9 minus 3 alpha. Now we know the algebraic operations on closed interval. See, closed interval a1 a2 plus closed interval b1 b2 is closed interval a1 plus a2 comma closed interval b1 plus b2. Now see the addition, 3 alpha minus 3 plus 3 alpha plus 3 gives you 6 alpha and comma 3 minus 3 alpha plus 9 minus 3 alpha gives you 12 minus 6 alpha for alpha belongs to open 0 closed 1. Now we will get here alpha cut of A plus B. Now in the third step we have to find membership function. Membership function. See, first we substitute the alpha cut of A plus B first term, that is 6 alpha is equal to x, gives you alpha is equal to x upon 6. Now take the boundary values. See, we know for alpha cut the lower bound is 0, upper bound is 1. That's why put alpha is equal to 0. Then this equation we will get x 0 and alpha is equal to 1. We will get x 6. Means for open we will get value of x 0 and for closed one get 6. Now how it is written? A plus b of x is equal to, the function is getting x by 6 for 0 less than x less than or equal to 6. Now we get one membership function a plus b. Now calculate second membership function. See, the second membership function is take 12 minus 6 alpha is equal to x. 12 minus x is equal to 6 alpha. Alpha is equal to 12 minus x upon 6. Now take boundary condition. Alpha 0. Put in this equation alpha 0 x 12 and alpha is equal to 1 for this equation 12 minus 6 x is equal to 6. Therefore, we get membership function a plus b of x is equal to 12 minus x divided by 6. For the interval, see here closed 1 means 6 less than or equal to x, open 0 means less than 12. And therefore, the required fuzzy number a plus b is a plus b of x is equal to First we will get x plus 6 for 0 less than x less than or equal to 6. And second function 12 minus x by 6 for 6 less than or equal to x less than 12. 0 otherwise. Now in this way we will get the fuzzy number a plus b. All of you understood? Yes. Now go to the second question. We have to calculate fuzzy number a minus b. Now for the same problem, we already calculated alpha cut of a, alpha cut of b. Take as it is. See for the second step. Here to find fuzzy number a minus b, we take alpha cut of a minus b is equal to alpha cut of a minus alpha cut of b, which is equal to closed interval 3 alpha minus 3 comma 3 minus 3 alpha minus closed interval 3 alpha plus 3 comma 9 minus 3 alpha. See, we know the algebraic operation on closed interval. How to take subtraction? A1, A2 minus B1, B2 is A1 minus B2, comma A2 minus B.